French onion butter rice, a flavor explosion. This dish is simple, it is easy to make. You can impress your friends with this recipe. It is perfect for a quick meal. French onion soup inspires this recipe. We use simple ingredients. This rice dish is buttery and rich. The onions add sweetness. Try this recipe, you will love it. You need just a few simple ingredients. This recipe is easy to follow. You can find these ingredients in your pantry. Let's get started. 1 tablespoon butter, 1 large onion, chopped, 1 cup white rice, 2 cups chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Follow these easy steps. You will have a delicious meal. Cooking is fun and easy. Let's make some French onion butter rice. First, melt the butter. Use a large saucepan. Add the chopped onions. Cook them over medium heat. You want them soft and translucent. This should take about 5 minutes. Next, add the rice to the pan. Toast the rice for a minute. Stir it constantly. This helps to enhance the nutty flavor. Then pour the chicken broth into the pan. Add salt and pepper. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan. Simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The rice should be tender. All the liquid should be absorbed. Finally, remove the pan from the heat. Let it stand for 5 minutes. Fluff the rice with a fork. This will give it a light and fluffy texture. French onion butter. Rice is a versatile side dish. It pairs well with many meals. It's delicious and satisfying. Serve this rice with grilled chicken. It's also great with roasted vegetables. For a more filling meal, try it with a hearty stew. To enhance the flavor, add some fresh herbs. Parsley or thyme are great choices. For a richer flavor, use beef broth instead of chicken broth. Enjoy your French onion butter rice.